Let's do a quick review of how to do a prime factorization. So let's say we want to find the prime factorization of the number 32. Well, first thing to remember is that prime numbers are numbers with no other divisible factors except for themselves and 1. So numbers like 3 or 7 or 11. The only numbers that divide 3 are 3 and 1. The only numbers that divide 7 evenly are 7 and 1. The only numbers that divide 11 evenly are 11 and 1. There are lots more, but these are just some examples. So we want to find all of the prime factors of 32. And remember, factors are just the numbers that make up another number. Okay, so another prime number is 2. This number here is divisible by 2 because it's an even number. So let's start with that. We're going to make a little tree here. So if we divide 32 by 2, we end up with 16. Okay, 2 times 16 is 32. Here is one of the prime factors. But we need to keep breaking down this number so that all we have left on the ends of the branches are prime numbers. 16 can also be divided by 2. We get 8. 8 can be divided by 2. 4 can be divided by 2. And now we are only left with prime factors at the end. So that's good. So now we're going to take all of the numbers that are on the end of the branches and put them all together. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. All 5 of them. That is the prime factorization for 32. Okay, let's do that again with a bigger number. Let's try 144. Now, you can pick any factor to start dividing with. I think 2 is usually the easiest if you have an even number. So we're going to divide this by 2 to start, which gives us 72. Now, 72 is the same as 8 times 9, so we can split it up that way. Right now, we still only have one prime factor up here. 8, we can split up into 4 times 2. 4, we can split up into 2 times 2. Okay, and now the ends of all the branches so far are prime. Now let's take a look at 9, because 9 is not prime. 9 can be divided by things other than itself and 1. It can be divided by 3. And if we divide 9 by 3, the answer is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 is prime. So now we have all prime numbers at the ends. So those we're going to put together into the prime factorization. So how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then we have a 3 and another 3. And those are all equal to 144. That's the prime factorization.